So now I am about to make my Hungry Man TV dinner. About to open up. About to open it up. That's what's up. Yeah. Yeah. Look at it. Can y'all see that? It's all frozen. I'm gonna eat it like that. And then my teeth will fall out. Okay, so now what I do is I go straight to my microwave. I walk to it with style. Yeah. Alright. Now put TV dinner, Hungry Man inside the microwave. Okay, now I'll put it on 6 minutes for right now. And it starts automatic. Boom. And then I just let it heat up. Simple as that. Yeah! This is what the box looks like. Hungry Man. Hungry Man. It's for me to eat.